So this is the next project. This is a nice sideboard that I picked up. Yeah, it's got drawers, nice and simple. Yeah, it's just a nice sideboard. So first thing first, I'm going to put some struts on the bottom because trying to keep it on these rollers is a nightmare. Right, so while we've got it on its back, I think I'm going to take the top off, or try to, because personally I like the look of sort of the wood top and coloured bottom. But yeah, we'll see what it looks like when it finishes, because obviously we can always spray it off, but hopefully it's just some nice and easy brackets to take off. All flathead screws. Claw hammer, pull it out, and that should free up the plate, because the plates will give it character, so you don't want to lose it, paint over it. Oh, this one's a bit tricky. I think they're brass. Almost lost it. So you can go under the plate, but so like that, but then I think I feel it's just going to bend. What is working? There we go. So it's just a little plate. I think it's brass. If it focuses on the hinge, there you go. Just going to get a bit of wire wool. Just get any of the rubbish off. It's not actually that dirty, which is nice. And you could go really wild with it, but yeah, they're not that dirty. But now if you look at the difference in the focus, that compared to that, not really a tell difference really. Yeah, it's just to get the masking tape sticking to it. You can put Vaseline on them and then just wipe the Vaseline after you've painted, but I prefer tape, just a bit cleaner. obviously only painting the faces, so I'm wanting to protect the inside and the sides of the drawers, which you may not think, well, you won't see that, but when you pull the drawer open, you obviously will. So protecting the sides, obviously because it's got a curve on it, there's a big gap. So we're just going to fill that with tape. So this polythene that I'm using is Tessa. It comes on a roll like this, and it also has, it's called Tessa Easy Cover. It's got a little serrated edge there. You literally peel it off. It's got a little tape bit on the top, but it's not like sort of super good tape. So what I like to do is just tape round the edges. I leave a little gap, tape round the edges. Unfortunately, I've had to resort to using the frog tape because I haven't got any Tessa precision in the shop at the moment. So Tessa guys, if you're watching, I'm sorry, but frog's going to have to do for now. So these edges can be quite tricky to tape, especially if there's dust and stuff like that, so you need to make sure the surface is clean, and it's not just going to cover in sort of one bit of tape, so you'll need a couple of passes. So I'll just take the inside edge, probably can't see it very well, let's get you a different angle. So obviously taping along this edge here, same with all the edges. Obviously tape everything that you just don't want to get paint on. That's pretty self-explanatory, but if you see an edge like this, say like with kitchens that I do, I'll take Cool, so that's all sanded down now. Looking good, looking very good. Onto the spraying.
items, then again that's to all our people's friends, and that track is called Lucy. That's right. And the reason I dedicate that to people's friends is because that's what all people's friends are. Very loosely. Now, that's what we used to put on basically. Loose girls, loose women. That's right. And of course, people ruined it by getting themselves into